What's up, guys? Welcome back to our 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom townhome here on 43rd and Camelback. I believe this is still Phoenix zip code, but it's very close to Glendale. I actually have two of my rentals that are down the street from here. For full disclosure, not the nicest area, but this will be one of the most affordable townhomes in all of Phoenix area, fully renovated at least. 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Forgot the square footage, but it's definitely sub 1,000 square feet. This is the perfect rental property for an investor to just make some good cash flow on it, or a perfect starter home for someone that has under a $250,000 pre-qualification. It is zone condo, like I said, so that opens up all types of pre-quals, from low down payment conventional to FHA to VA buyers. A little bit different than condos here, but this was a full renovation, top to bottom. Picked this property up, I believe, about a month ago, so it's actually a pretty quick mover. These are like these townhomes. There's a ton of them throughout all of Phoenix. They're Hallcraft builds, so it's plug and play, like down to a T on these, like the exact same floor plan, square footage. So it's very, very plug and play on these, which is why it's very quick. Kitchen's probably the best part about this. New cabinets. I think this is going to be a very, very sharp looking property for the buyer pool that is going to be looking at this. There's not a whole lot in this low 200s, especially renovated like this. So it should get some good traction. The only downside, like I said, not the nicest area. We have upstairs here, which is where the 2 bedrooms are, and the 1 bathroom. All new carpet throughout. This type of price point, no use in spending money on LVP. This would have been a lot more expensive to run LVP on the stairs and all of upstairs. And like I said, low 200s, the buyer pool will not care. They're just going to be happy to get into a nice looking home that's been fully renovated. So little linen closet here. You got your bathroom right here as well. Fully renovated walk-in right here. And then that's the only cabinet that was already there. That's why it's the gray colored here. But tile right here, carpet everywhere else. The 2 bedrooms. I guess we can have the quick look in here. All new windows too. So that's always a good look. And the thing with windows is it's a pretty expensive, I know there's a cute pup. It's a pretty expensive fix. So to be able to say all new windows throughout is a great incentive on the listing to have in the listing description. It helps just sell the house a lot faster. We're not going to get a huge ROI on this, but just the speed of the sale and just no issues with any of the seals or anything like that on the inspection report. So that's something that we're looking forward to, just an easier transaction, hopefully. And if you look down here, you have your own little backyard too, which is really cool. You kind of got the reflection here. The community itself, relatively low HOA. It is not the best community. You can show the community at kind of this area right here. Yeah, that's it. This is the bigger of the 2 bedrooms as well. You got a little bit of a bigger closet. We left all the doors, single pane doors. Once again, this price point, no one's gonna care if they're 6-panel. No one's gonna care if the trim's the squared off kind, but we did get new baseboards because we got all new flooring as well. So that didn't cost too much. But yeah, that's it, guys. So 215 or 219,000. I know there's a few actives in this community, but they're not renovated and they're right at that 215 to 220 range. So we're going to slide right in, but be a fully renovated property, fresh on the market, which I think will get a lot of traction this week when we list it. Cash flow wise, I believe this property you can probably get 15, it's a 1 bath, so probably about $1,500 a month on the purchase price of around $215,000. So if you guys want to run your numbers that way, that's kind of pretty good for the Arizona area as of right now. High rental rate, low purchase price, zone townhome. You'll still get some appreciation on the property over the next few years or whenever you decide to sell it. So overall, it's not a bad play. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are ever looking for a real estate agent out here in the Arizona area, I'd love to work with you guys. Keep me in mind whenever you guys know someone, you yourself, family member are selling out here in Arizona. I'd love to list the property or help you guys buy a property. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Everything's in the description below.